Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the BJT common emitter amplifier DC operating point analysis or DC bias analysis by using LTSpice. So step by step I will draw the schematic, this complete schematic again, and I will show you how to draw the schematic and LTSpice. Then I will run the dot op analysis or operating point or DC bias analysis, and I will show you the voltage across, let's say, here at this node, collector to emitter voltage, the base biasing voltage, the collector current, and etc. Okay, so let us start now. So first I will draw the schematic, this complete schematic here. So just I will move this here from here to here. Okay, so go at this component, take one NPN transistor, this is NPN transistor, take some resistance. So one resistor here, one resistor here, one resistor here, one resistor here you can take, right? Then go at here, take some voltage source, right? This is the voltage source. You may take the voltage source, right? Okay, one voltage source here. So just draw it. Yep, 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 yep. So if you want to move your component, go at move, select it, and you can easily move the component. Go at wire, draw the wire here, right? So yep, then go at this, connect here this also, and now you need to have some coupling capacitor, right? So if you want to rotate the component, control R to rotate the component. Here you need some coupling capacitor, right? And here you need bypass capacitor, right? So let us say get wire, right? Yep, you have to add this here. You have to go at there. Then I think this is the load. Here you will connect your load, right? So this will be grounded, this will be grounded here, right? So connect via ground. Now this is 12 volt supply, this is 12 volt supply, so 12 volt, and this is also ground here, right? So if you check with your older schematic in parallel both, so the value for this C1 is 10 microfarad, 10 U, right? This is 47 U, right? This is also 10 U. U stand for microfarad, and you need one more resistance, that is load resistance. Connect somewhere here. The value for this load resistance is 10K, right? So get wire, connect using wire, right? And yeah, you can use NPN transistor. So right click at this component, pick new transistor and I will take BC847, right? 847C, let us say. So friends, as you can see, you have completely drawn your schematic, right? So this is the circuit for BJT common emitter amplifier, and now we will do the DC operating point analysis, right? This is C2 is a coupling capacitor, C2 and C3 is coupling capacitor, while this C4 is bypass capacitor, right? So now I will run the DC operating point analysis. So go at simulate, edit simulation command, go at DC operating point, and you have to take some time here, like it is 100 millisecond, right? So it's 100 millisecond. You can place it anywhere in the circuit. Now you have to run the simulation. So go at this button, run the simulation, and you can see here there is a window which popped up, which is saying the voltage and the current, DC voltage and current of this common emitter amplifier at different node, right? So you can see the IB Q1, the ICQ1, the IEQ1, then the current across this capacitor C3 and the all values here. So how will you place all these value in your circuit, right? So you have to close this, and if you close this, you can see you have all voltages and current in your circuit. So here you can see at the base of this transistor you are having this 6.058 voltage, and this node you are having 5.37 volt, and this node you are having 7.4 volt, and this node you are having 745. And if you want to check the collector current, this is 4.5 microampere, right? And if you want to check the emitter current, how will you check your emitter current? So you have to just add one label here, go add label, and let's say if you want to add the emitter current I, so you have to add one label here, this is I, and now if you click it here in the arrow, in the question mark, if you select the I, you have to remove the dollar sign from here, and you remove the it's 4 point minus 4.588, right? So you can see the voltage here, its DC voltage is 0. You can see the voltage at this node, you can see the voltage at this node, right? You can all see the voltage at this node, you can see the voltage at this node, right? If you want to remove any part, this you can see the voltage at each, the DC voltage and current at each, for each and every component, right? So hope you understand how do we do the operating point analysis of common emitter BJT common emitter amplifier, right? How do you do the DC biasing analysis for any common emitter, BJT common emitter amplifier? If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.